Greetings, dear listeners. Have you heard about the new online passport renewal system? It's a game changer, designed to make life a bit easier for all of us. Today, we delve into this new process, guiding you through each step and summarizing the key points to remember. The U.S. Department of State, in a bid to streamline processes, has launched a digital platform where citizens can renew their passports. This system is primed to cut down on wait times and offer convenience right at your fingertips. To kick off the renewal process, navigate to the travel.state.gov website. This is your one-stop shop for all things related to U.S. passports. Once there, create an account. This account will serve as your personal dashboard, where you can enter your passport information, upload a digital photo, and pay the necessary fees. Now about that photo. It must meet specific criteria, so do ensure that it's of high quality, taken against a plain white background, and shows your full face without any accessories obstructing your features. Once you've uploaded your photo and filled out the necessary information, it's time to pay the fees. The website accepts various forms of payment, making it even more convenient for users. After payment, you have the option to enroll in email updates. This is a great way to stay informed about the status of your application. Processing times for passport renewals typically range from 4 to 6 weeks. However, if you're in a hurry, expedited services are available for an additional fee. This option can shorten the wait time considerably. It's worth noting that this online service is currently available for adults renewing a regular 10-year passport that has expired within the past 5 years or will expire in the coming year. The service is only accessible for Americans with a U.S. address. In summary, the new online passport renewal system is a significant step towards modernizing and simplifying the passport renewal process. It allows users to renew their passports entirely online, eliminating the need to appear in person or send documents through the mail. With a processing time of 4 to 6 weeks, it's a convenient option for those in no rush. And for those who need their passports renewed quickly, expedited services are available at an extra cost. Remember to update your global entry membership with your new passport number. And don't worry if your passport expires during the renewal process. You can still apply for a renewal within 5 years of the expiration date. So there you have it. The new online passport renewal system, making passport renewals easier, faster, and more convenient than ever before. Thank you for watching Topics on Trend. Go ahead and check out another trending video on our channel here, like subscribe, comment, and share.